feel like a rock star already. Thank you. So hi, my name is Shiti, and with my co-founder Radhika, we are building Breathe Happy. Today I stand here to tell you why we are doing this in 2020. Because who doesn't need their dose of Zen today? The search volume surged by 950% this year. Yoga influencers on Instagram gathered more followers than health and cooking combined. While it's amazing, it's not surprising really, because we know the troubled times that we live in. And yoga and mindfulness have been extensively researched and proved to help stress and anxiety, not to mention the chronic illnesses like diabetes, asthma, arthritis, which is why it's been steadily on the rise since 2015. But now that we've mentioned you can do yoga, you can do it at home, so why don't we just roll out your mat, switch on that YouTube video, and get on with it? Except this. Our consumers tell us of 3 major problems, which can be articulated as lack of motivation, lack of reliable teachers, and too much noise because of information online. This is what Breathe Happy is going to address. With an unmatched engagement that has grown our community from a small WhatsApp group to 2,000 plus users now, with authentic teachers that are handpicked from the best Indian schools, the home of yoga from Bihar, Rishikesh, Himalayas, for you, reviewed by you, and not to mention the simple 3-step sign up to show up process. And for that, our community showers us on the love. The 2-way video, interactive classes, personalized attention, teachers, posture correction. And how do we know that? Because they've told us so. From motivation to posture correction, not just in class, but also on the various kinds of special we do for them, whether beginners yoga, kids yoga, even scientific events, psychologists, psychiatrists, and health specials like immunity, stretching, flexibility. Which is why our MVP is proudly generating recurring revenue every month, 350 plus unique signups already, 90% repeats last month, not to mention 800 plus user sessions already under our belt. On the International Day of Yoga, we partnered with none other than United Nations and Government of India for the largest event of its kind. That was viewed 67,000 times globally on social media. We've been featured in reputed magazines like Catapult, Aging 2.0, and US-based magazines organically. Just like our classes, our business model is simple, subscription-based with 50% gross margin and a unique access to cross-border talent. But the best part is we're just getting started. We're now building the future. With technology of computer vision and motion tracking, that's going to set us completely apart in competitive landscape. What Peloton and Mirror did with 2,000 pounds a month device for equipment-led fitness industry, we're going to do with a fraction of cost for body weight and free movement. Best of online and offline worlds at unmatched convenience at super attractive prices. Talking of which, this is a staggering behemoth of $80 billion industry. But we're building a bottoms-up case. 15 billion industry overall with 300 million practitioners, even taking one class, of which we're targeting people in UK, US, and India. That's 5 billion pounds. In the next 3 years, we are setting our sights on 0.2% market share with 10 million pounds in revenue. How do we get there? We've identified 5 routes to market. We've already done social media and digital marketing organic growth. We now want to healthy aging with Age Happy with reputed partners that I'm going to come in a minute. And every quarter, we're going to chip away at that with corporates, Work Happy, Educational Institute, Teach Happy, and medical sector, social prescribing, and IAP services in local councils. In the next few slides, I'm just going to give you a summary of where we are, give you a glimpse of what we're going to do next and who we are partnering with. 2020 was about building our MVP and starting revenue generation. As excited we are about that, we're taking it a notch up with computer vision and motion tracking in 2021, going live in other sectors, and 2022 is going to be scaling in other geographies, like US. And that's how we get to 10 million in different geographies, 40,000 plus users and 1,000 plus teachers. The next step, integrating that post-estimation in our platform, which we've started, and a pioneering, revolutionizing technique to measure emotional AI well-being. Never been done in the UK. This has only been applied in FMCG industry for concept testing. And we are not alone in this. We've partnered with National Innovation Centre for Aging, Sentient Decision Analysis, backed by Innovate UK, BGV, and MedCity. We're a team of 2 founders with 2 decades of experience, 5 continents, startup tech, international marketing. We're backed by people who've taken and coached ex-prime ministers, who have incorporated yoga and mindfulness in high-security prisons in UK, who have won at Forbes. We've got it covered. And with a team that's growing and still on the lookout for rock stars in growth and tech. So do write to us. But just before you do that, check out the magic at letsbreathehappy.com with the code YOGA for sign-up free classes. See you on the mat.